Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by moving fast and with purpose. Secure the route and clarify roles. Once you have map markers and a rendezvous, position your scout to scope exits while you and the driver stage the vehicle. Make sure each teammate carries a radio and noise-dampening gear to avoid attracting threats. Check batteries and stash spares in 2 locations, one on person and one in the vehicle, so you can adapt if a path closes. Move now, quietly, toward the Lighthouse entrance. You enter in coordinated bursts. The scout gives live updates and calls targets. Once the scout confirms a stealth lane, you move in 3-second interval bursts to minimize exposure. Make sure one teammate suppresses distractions while another secures doorways and checks rooms clockwise. If you find survivors, stabilize any bleeding and prepare a stretcher or shoulder carry for the wounded. Prioritize mobility over baggage. When clear, signal the driver and exit on a per-planned flank, keeping radios on low volume for updates. You finish by loading survivors and assigning rear security until the vehicle is moving. Once loaded, the driver follows the primary route. If it becomes blocked, immediately switch to the alternate route B and move without stopping. Make sure someone monitors for ambush points and clears mirrors and windows before turns. If radios fail, revert to the prearranged light signal, 3 flashes, pause, 2 flashes, and head to the rendezvous. If someone panics, give a clear short command.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.